Project management comes from somewhere. Projects comes from somewhere. And so when we say projects come from somewhere, where do they come from? Projects come from strategy. And as the audio sections of the module clearly indicates, we develop a strategy, and from the strategy we develop initiatives to implement. And implementing these initiatives helps gain progress and traction to the realization of the strategy. Projects are very important in the organization. And so a succinct and clear selection criteria must be put in place. We need to create a justification of sorts. We need to develop a process by which we can triage which of all of the different projects should we undertake. Which ones should we accelerate? Which ones should we pull back? They do not lie necessarily in the hands of the project manager, but the project management organization, the enterprise that hosts the projects. That's your company. And your company has developed controls, has developed governance around projects, whether that's a strategic office or whether that's what we call the mythical PMO. PMO can stand for Project Management Office or Program Management Office or whatever you wish to call it. But it's kind of a traffic control, some kind of a ability to monitor the progress of the different projects. But amongst its job, the foremost role that it plays is in initiating projects. And in initiating projects, they must have some form of feasibility, some form of justification on why we're doing this project. It allows for companies to adjudge. It allows for companies to assess projects in a common standardized format, and allows companies to decide which among the different projects we're doing we should put priority on. This is how important project selection is to any project organization.